How to sign out of mail in Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to sign out of mail in Android. Without further ado, let's get started. Go to your Android settings, not the Gmail app. Now scroll down. Now tap on Users and Accounts option. Here navigate to Google option. Now you need to choose the Google account which you want to sign out of or the Gmail account that you want to sign out of. Tap the three dots at top right once you access account and sync option. Here tap on remove account option and tap remove account in order to confirm. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and all the data from this phone and then completely sign out of the Gmail app on your Android device. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.